Here's another aesthetic motion graphics tutorial. Let's jump into Resolve. Start by bringing in a Fusion composition in the timeline. Then open it in the Fusion page. Now bring out a background node and connect it with the media out. Then turn the alpha all the way down for the background node. Then bring in another background and merge it. Add a rectangle mask on the background. Change the width and the height so that it becomes a card. Also change the corner radius to 0.27 because we want the edges to be round. Next, go to background and change the color type to gradient. And turn it into a vertical gradient just like this. Now bring in your image and merge it. And while the merge is selected, change the apply mode to screen, and after that make sure the image is aligned properly inside of the card. And then change the operator to in. And now bring in a text node and merge it. And change the text to CEO or whatever you want. And change the font to Poppins. I'm using Poppins for this, you can use again whatever you want. Then I will align this using this left align icon for the H anchor. And then we will take it to the left and right here. And change the style to black and also go to shadings and change the color type to gradient. And now I'm also going to change the opacity to 0.75. Merge another text node. And this is going to be the character name. So Bruce Wayne in this case. And this time I'm going to change the font to Allura. This is a free font, I will link in the description. Again left align it and take it right here and reduce the size. Maybe a bit down. Now we are done with that, and next I'm going to bring another background node and merge it. Change the color to white and add a rectangle mask on it. Then decrease the width so that it becomes a thin bar, just like that, and also decrease the size. Then change the Y position so that it sits right here. A bit more length, and that's cool. Next bring out another text and merge it. Give it a title, say net worth. Again I'm going to make it Poppins. I'm going to make the font Poppins. And the style to medium. Then I will also change the color to a bit on the grey side. And reduce the size. This will be placed right here on the left center. And a size a bit more down, I guess. Then I will just duplicate it for the next one and merge it again and take it to the right middle, just like that. And this time it is going to be age. Now another text, merge it, and the title is plus, not plus I guess. And the title is going to be $45 million. Again the font is Poppins, and we will take it here, right in the middle of the left side, and turn the size down. Then duplicate it and merge it again. This time the text is 41. I'm assuming that Bruce Wayne was 41 in this movie. And then I will change the font style to black and take it to the middle of the right side. Now we are done with the designing and it's time for the animation. First we will start by the biggest text, this one. Take the playhead to frame 50, go to layout, then put a keyframe on the center X and Y. Then go back to frame 0 and turn it down. Then again go to frame 50, go to shadings and put a keyframe on the opacity. Then go back to frame 0 and turn the opacity all the way down. Now as there is movement, we will add motion blur to it, so go to settings and add motion blur. Now time for the second text. Select it and write in here inside of the title box, right click and choose follower. Then go to modifiers, go to shadings and go to position and put a keyframe on the offset X and Y. Then again open the follower. I don't know why it closes it every time I put a keyframe right here. And put a keyframe on the opacity as well. Then go back to frame 0, take the Y position down and also the opacity all the way down as well. And then go to timing and change the order to left to right and also give it a delay of 3.0. Then go to tools, go to settings and add motion blur. Also add shutter angle, this is important for this one. Otherwise it doesn't look that good. And now we have these two animations. Up next we are going to animate these texts, and this is just simple. It's going to be a simple fade in. Go to frame 50 and put a keyframe on the opacity. Then go back to frame 0 and turn the opacity all the way down. Then again go to frame 50, choose the second text, go to shadings, put a keyframe on the opacity, and the same thing every time. So now what's left is this bar right here. So go to frame 50 and select the rectangle and then put a keyframe on the height. And then go back to frame 0 and turn the height to 0. And that will give you this animation like this. Then go to settings and add motion blur for it as well. Now finally add a transform node at the very end to animate everything all at once. Go to frame 50 and put a keyframe on the center X and Y. Then go to frame 0 and turn the Y down. And this will give you this animation. And right now it is not smooth, so for that we will open the spline tab and select everything one by one. Careful that nothing gets left. And then we will press this button, Ctrl A, right click, ease and out cubic. And now to enhance the look, make sure to add a glow node at the very end. And increase the glow size. And this is your character card animation. Of course this can be way better. You can add your creativity and make it do all kinds of stuff, so that is up to you. Check out the viral motion sample pack from the description. Have a good night.